All right, Stitch Fix is here, so stick around and see what I got. Okay, out of all of my subscription clothing boxes, I have to say Stitch Fix is becoming pretty much my favorite one so far. Mainly because I end up liking almost all of the clothing items in the box. There's lots of times where the items just don't fit me or my body type, but I still like the items that are being sent. So out of all of the clothing subscriptions, Stitch Fix is at the top of my list. I have to say it's beating out Trunk Club right now, so I'm excited to see what's in this month's box. All right, so I've got my little bundle going on. And for those of you that don't know, it says is that you get 5 items that are from your personalized stylist, and then you get them sent to you in the mail, and then you get to review them, try them on, see what you think, and then anything you don't like, you get to return in the prepaid envelope that's provided in here, and then anything you do want to keep, you obviously purchase, and you do this all through an app on your phone, or you can do it on the website as well. So, all right, let's get to it. Let's see what I got. All right. Oh, they've got him. So I got a bunch. It looks like a nice big sweater. And then they did a separate one, probably because this has got fuzz on it. We know how I don't like fuzz. And then another bundle. Oh, I see a jean jacket or something already in there. Okay, let's get to it. I love it because it's like Christmas. It's like I'm getting to unwrap, and I love that feeling ever since I was a kid, so I still love it as an adult. And it's my way of kind of getting that fix. All right, cool here. I've got a blue blouse. It's collared. Vince Camuto. Blue, navy blue. It's got some cool arm detail laced down the arms. 3/4 length cuff. All right, and it is buttoned up, but the hidden buttons. Right off the bat, it's not bad. I can use more blouses. And this is Vince Camuto Murphy sleeve detailed button-down blouse. And it's a navy large, except it says navy large, but I can clearly see that it's a medium. So right there, it's possibly not going to fit because I definitely am a large in my top size. So we'll see. That's kind of a bummer off the top of the bat. Then a jean jacket, which I'm pretty sure I already bought a jean jacket from Stitch Fix. So I'm surprised that they're sending me another one. And again, I've only had 4 fixes, so you think they would have known that. It's cool though. I mean, I really am liking the detail, and it's stretchy. I love jean jackets that got a little bit of stretch and give to them. So this is just USA. This is actually a size large, so that's good. And this is a Lula denim jacket. I like it. I have a jean jacket already though, but this is cooler than the one I've got. I really like this detail down the front. Oh man, I hate when you get stuff that you already have, but you like it better than what you already have. All right, let's see what else. What the heck is this? Busy. Oh, it's a skirt. Purple though, I thought I saw purple's kind of the new color. So this is kind of a busy print skirt, but pair this with some tights underneath, and nice black blouse that I already have. So this is a Margaret M. Christina skirt. I'm liking it, and it's stretchy material, which I always like in skirts. And then, all right, let's get this out of the way. Let's see, then a pair of just black jeans, stretchy jeans, ankle skinny, just black. All right. Oh, they've got this unfinished cuff. Wow, I'm not sure what I think about that, because I would want to wear these to work, and maybe this is the new style and I just have to get used to it. But right off the bat, I'm kind of not loving how it's unfinished looking. But you know what? I never have luck with black jeans. I've gotten some specifically through my subscription boxes, but whenever I go to wash them and, after 1 or 2 washes, I end up finding like different stains on them, and I'm washing them separately, but I'm still having issues. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong with black jeans. So this is already intimidating me just because I've had no luck with the black jeans I've had recently. 2 pair that I've noticed stains on and I can't get out. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. But anyways, we'll try them on. Okay, and then I've got my bundle here, which is a sweater, I believe. And it's got all that fuzzy stuff that I'm already not liking. All right, it's like a big poncho sweater. Okay, and it's got a hood, and it's already getting all over, and I don't like it already, and I don't want to touch it much more because all this fuzz is getting everywhere, and I'm just getting over a cold, so this is going to annoy me. This is Emery Park, and yeah, it is, what does it say it is? Bancroft hooded cardigan. So it's cute. I mean, obviously, it's got pockets. It's a nice oversized cardigan. The color is cute. It's definitely going to be warm. I just can't stand all of this fuzz. It's one of the things I hate about wintertime in sweaters. So unfortunately, this one already I'm not going to like, and I'm going to hate trying it on to show you guys as well. Okay, so like it says it's my 4th fix. Feels like I've had more. But anyways, on the card, I'll just kind of break it down here. The Just Black black scissor cut hem skinny jeans, those were $78. The Margaret M, purple and white and black skirt is $78. That cardigan, hooded cardigan that I'm not loving, and I can still see the fuzz all over here, is $54. Actually, I thought that would be more, so I'm kind of surprised. The Vince Camuto navy blouse, the very first one I unboxed, was $78. A little pricey. And then the Just USA jean jacket is $68. So this is a total, subtotal of $356. And then if you find, with Stitch Fix, if you end up buying all 5 items, they give you a 25% discount, which is a nice discount, and that's $89 off. So out of the $356, minus the $89, and then minus your styling fee, which is $20, if I were to buy all 5 items, I'd pay $247. So, honestly, not bad. If you end up liking all 5 items, it's definitely worth considering and, buying all of them, because you do get a pretty decent discount after everything's applied, after the 25% is applied and your $20 styling fee. Now, the other thing is that if I end up liking nothing, none of the 5 items, I do lose that $20 styling fee that I paid up front to have the box shipped out to me. So that's why for me, I end up always hoping that I'll end up liking at least one item. And then, if I don't like any of them, you got to kind of go, oh, can I gift it? Can I, give it to somebody as a gift, or, possibly resell it, those type of things. So that's the little bit of risk you take with Stitch Fix or, many of the subscription boxes when there's a styling fee, or you just end up losing the $20. But overall, I'm not loving all 5 items right away because, of course, I do not loving the cardigan. We know that up front, but the rest of the items I'm excited to try on and see how they fit, and we'll go from there. Okay, the blue blouse, I liked it. Unfortunately, it just didn't fit properly across my bust area, and that's because I know I needed a large, and they sent a medium and put the wrong SKU on it. So, with this one, I might end up just requesting the right size. I did like it, and I did like the detail on the sleeves. So, and I don't have a lot of navy blouses, so this one actually could fit well in my closet. Okay, now with the skirt. This is purple, white, and then a navy, so it's supposed to be paired with the navy blouse. And I thought they looked nice together for sure. I just don't know if I'm loving the skirt. You know, the length was fine, the fit was fine. I just don't know if it was the most flattering. And maybe it's just the color I'm not used to either. So this one I have to think about. Okay, and then as far as the jean jacket goes, I liked it. I don't know what you guys think, but I really am liking this detail down the front. I don't need another jean jacket though, but out of all of the items, this is probably my favorite, and I don't need it, so that sucks. Okay, and then the jeans. So these just black ankle skinny jeans. Unfortunately, my luck right now, they just don't fit properly around my waist and my thighs, so these are a no. These got to go back. But they, you know, they do look like a nice jean. I'm just still not super thrilled about the bottom not being finished, but I think, again, that's the new style. Okay, and lastly is the hooded cardigan, which, you know, it didn't look that bad on it. It actually feels very nice and is very warm and kind of cozy feeling, but I can't handle all of this fuzz. It's gonna drive me nuts. It's just one of my pet peeves, unfortunately, and I really should put that in my comments when I send them back to my stylist, just so they know and they can make note of it. So that was my 5 items for this month's Stitch Fix box. You know, I didn't love all 5 of them, unfortunately. Even right now, I'm having a hard time deciding if I want to keep 2 of the items, you know, the navy blouse, or maybe the jean jacket, the skirt. You know, I don't know. I don't need any of them desperately in my closet, and none of them, you know, were super flattering or something I have to have. I also don't want to lose my $20, so I have to, you know, kind of sit back and decide which one I want to keep. And that, of course, is the risk you take when you do these you know, clothing box subscriptions. But I still enjoy them. I still like seeing what somebody else might style for me. So I'm going to keep with it. So, you know, make sure to subscribe to the channel, see what I get for next month's Stitch Fix box, and, you know, subscribe so you can see all the other videos that I do as well. You know, thanks for watching.